Today, I'm going to be talking about PowerStar batteries. PowerStar has been manufacturing and selling 6 volt, 8 volt, and 12 volt sealed lead acid or AGM batteries for 2 decades. They have a plethora of battery types and sizes to accommodate a wide variety of applications. PowerStar batteries include a 2-year full replacement warranty on all of its batteries unless they're used in a UPS or uninterrupted power supply device. If a PowerStar battery is used in a UPS device, they then extend the warranty an additional year, making it a 3-year full replacement battery. Aside from UPSs, PowerStar's huge selection of batteries fits anything from motorcycles to small toys, security alarms to even solar-powered applications. PowerStar utilizes their 2 decades of business to develop high-end, industry-leading, and quality batteries at an affordable value to consumers. PowerStar provides extremely fast, efficient shipping to the inner US 48 states and have a 5-star customer service team that picks up the phone with a living, breathing human when you call. So, if you ever find yourself with a question in regards to a battery, or even what battery it is that you need for your device or application, you can contact them directly at 815-467-6464 and get an answer in a few minutes. PowerStar goes above and beyond with their customer care and battery quality. PowerStar Batteries gives customers everywhere peace of mind with a 2-year full replacement warranty and a battle-proven product. When it comes to your SLA and AGM battery needs, look no further than PowerStar. Industrial batteries and state-of-the-art technology at an incredibly great value.